Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Only 1% of people can score 30 of 30. Can you pass this Arabic test? Let's start. What is the father in Arabic? Choose the correct answer. Right answer is Abun. Comment your answer please. What is red in Arabic? Right answer is Azraq. Comment your answer please. What is apple in Arabic? Right answer is Tuffahun. Comment your answer. What is eat in Arabic? Right answer is Ya'kulu. Comment your answer please. How do you say thank you in Arabic? Correct answer is Shukran. Comment your answer please. What is 40 in Arabic? Correct answer is Arbaun. Comment your answer please. What is brother in Arabic? Correct answer is Akhun. Comment your answer please. How do you say good morning in Arabic? Correct answer is Sabahul Khair. Comment your answer please. What is car in Arabic? Correct answer is Sayyara. Comment your answer please. What is water in Arabic? Correct answer is Ma'un. Comment your answer please. What is mother in Arabic? Correct answer is Ummun. Comment your answer please. What is green in Arabic? Correct answer is Akhdar. Comment your answer please. What is banana in Arabic? Correct answer is Mawzun. Comment your answer please. What is drink in Arabic? Correct answer is Yashrab. Comment your answer please. How do you say please in Arabic? Correct answer is min fadlik. Comment your answer please. What is 75 in Arabic? Correct answer is khamsatun wa sab'un. Comment your answer please. What is sister in Arabic? Correct answer is ukhtun. Comment your answer please. How do you say good night in Arabic? Correct answer is tusbihu ala khair. Comment your answer please. What is tomato in Arabic? Correct answer is tomatimu. Comment your answer please. What is blue in Arabic? Correct answer is azraq. Comment your answer please. What is go in Arabic? Correct answer is yadhabu. Comment your answer please. How do you say how are you in Arabic? Correct answer is كيف حالك. Comment your answer please. What is the hotel in Arabic? Correct answer is فندق. Comment your answer please. What is ATM in Arabic? Correct answer is صراف آلي. Comment your answer please. What is glasses in Arabic? Correct answer is نظارة. Comment your answer please. What is petrol in Arabic? Correct answer is benzene. Comment your answer please. How do you say I need help in Arabic? Correct answer is أحتاج مساعدة. Comment your answer please. What is work in Arabic? Correct answer is عمل. Comment your answer please. How do you say see you tomorrow in Arabic? Correct answer is أراك غدا. Comment your answer please. What is mosque in Arabic? Correct answer is masjid. Comment your score please. Please subscribe to the channel. من فضلك اشترك في القناة. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.